Hello and welcome to my new Guitar Nerdery video. Chords and scales are not so different. In fact, they are the same. But mostly chords are a part of a scale. If you learn to see how your chord, your voicing that you choose, is embedded in a scale, is surrounded by that scale that it is part of, it will enhance your possibilities, your chord playing tremendously. For explanation, I chose a regular D minor triad in the 5th position, and I interpret this chord as a part of the D-Aeolian scale. Everything I'm going to show you now works with all modes, all harmonies. I chose the D-Aeolian mode because of its practical reasons on the guitar. All notes in the 5th fret belong to the D-Aeolian scale, and that comes in very handy. And here in the diagram you can see how the scale surrounds that voicing. And having here all these notes in the 5th fret available enables to use our index finger like a capo. Your D minor chord is just a part of this whole scale, and all notes you see in that diagram that are within reach you can play. You can add them or you can replace notes. So I can, for example, do this or this. Sometimes a voicing doesn't sound good. It's not consisting of wrong notes then, but the voicing just doesn't sound good. Your note choice is your thing. If you're just changing top notes, then the harmony stays D minor. But when I change the bass notes, this is an F major. This is an inversion of C major. And here, an awesome voicing for B flat major. Doesn't matter. And here an A minor 7 is in there. All chords that are in the D-Aeolian mode you can of course find here, because you have the whole scale here to be able to use all these possibilities. Depends on how far you want to go. Could be enough for you to just have variations here in the chord. Able to make use of the whole range that is available to you. That means that the learning curve is somewhat longer. I hope you liked the video and you can make use of what I showed you today. And if you want to support me, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I'm looking forward to see you next time.